Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddy Vision. I know you see the title of the video. Before we get into the video, I want you to like, share and subscribe. And welcome to the family. Now, Leon Bailey out.
And I still can't understand when him say that he suffer. Or who you tell that or what? Where you want we say to that?
Yes, Leon Chippy Bailey out. He looks to be out for the Mexico game. He was diagnosed with a muscle injury. His thigh. Now, he made a mini comeback and then we understand that he has ruptured his thigh. Leon Bailey last played for Jamaica against USA in the last window for World Cup qualifications. Didn't have a good game. Went back to Aston Villa. He picked up a thigh injury and it has kept him out of action for Aston Villa. So I'm wondering if Leon Bailey has now become an injury-prone player. We've seen him missing games for Leverkusen at the back end of his time over there in Germany with a toe injury. Entered the Gold Cup, came in injured, only made a few appearances. Started off the World Cup qualifications, again injured when he got that move to Aston Villa. Played a few games, injured again, back again, now he's out again. Now according to Aston Villa medical team, he has an issue with his thigh. He ruptured his thigh again and isn't expected back until the new year. So there isn't a date set for his return. Expected return date I'm seeing here is unknown. So I'm no doctor, but I'm seeing a ruptured thigh. That should be some while. And it's saying unknown return date. So we should not look for Leon Bailey in the next window against Mexico. It's sad to say we wanted to see Leon Bailey have a chance to run out alongside the likes of Antonio and Jamaica Gray. Does it look likely? Paul Hall had said in his interview that he wants to give Leon Bailey the ball some more. He wants to get Leon Bailey involved. But, if he's injured, he can't be involved, can he? And we saw the local coaches, having a say on that in last week's Gleaner article. Persons were saying that we cannot run this team through Leon Bailey. We cannot concentrate the attack through him. A lot of teams play with talisman, but the local coaches, Fraser-Pryce, Ducky, and others have been saying that we need all the players to come together. We're not set up in a way to rely on one single player, But Leon Bailey, for me, has not been playing well for Jamaica anyway. So to say we're going to play the ball through him more, I can understand why Paul Hall would say something like that, because he want to rediscover Leon Bailey's form. But I think at this time, with his injury record, it's going to be a difficult task. He's really out of form for Jamaica. Still looks good for Aston Villa in his cameos, but for Jamaica it doesn't look good. They haven't played a really good game in a long while for Jamaica. So Leon Bailey out for the Mexico game. Not totally confirmed, but by the looks of it, it doesn't look really likely. It's now the end of December. Obviously, the first week is out. We're looking the second week might be out as well. We play Mexico January 27th. I don't think he will be cleared by then. If even some miracle is cleared, I don't think Aston Villa will send Leon Bailey on, international duties. Why would they? He's just coming off an injury, and to send him all the way to play Mexico for Jamaica, I don't see them, releasing the player. He's an asset to Aston Villa, and they have been waiting for him to recover from multiple injuries. So I don't see them sending or releasing Leon Bailey. So, and it would be so wise for him, he would need time to really recover before he enters the field. But Leon Bailey should be out. So what can we do now to bridge that gap? Who can we play on the right hand side? That's the big question. Leon Bailey, we need a specialized winger who should we put in? Let us know in the comment section below. Do you think Leon Bailey has a chance to make that Mexico game, or would you even want to see him come down, not really fully fresh, coming straight after injury and into the team? Do you really want to see that? Will that be enough for Mexico? It's a very tough game we have, and we need players that are 100%. So if there's no Leon Bailey, which looks very likely, who would you want to see on the right hand side? Let me know in the comment section below. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.